Hey there folks, welcome back to the channel. It's day 3 of the 5 for 5 prepping for Cinco de Mayo. From margarita variations to other agave-based spirits that you probably never heard of before. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing for more drinks and memories. Today, we're making a new one that I haven't tried myself. Let's get behind the stick. So today we're making the 9th Wonder. The only couple things that I know about this cocktail is the recipe and that it was created by a bartender called Erick Castro. He is a host of a podcast called Bartender at Large, which in that podcast, he brings people from the industry and interviews them. Erick also happens to be a really nice guy. I met him when he was doing a guest bartending shift in Broken Shaker in Miami. If you haven't checked out his content, you should. It's actually really entertaining and also you get to learn a lot. I'll leave a link to his podcast and also his YouTube channel down below. Let's just get to the drink. First off, I love the build on this drink. This is a very easy cocktail to make. And this, just like the Last Word cocktail, the build is entirely equal parts. But the combination of flavors on this are a bit unique in this case. We're gonna use some Ancho Reyes, which makes sense since it's a sugarcane-based Ancho Chile Liqueur made in Mexico. This is used in many agave-based cocktails as an easy way to add flavor and spice. But this, combined with Creme de Cacao. Wait. Chocolate, spice, lime, and tequila? When I saw these ingredients in this one drink, it made me think for a second. But honestly, I kinda like the sound of it. So that's why I wanted to give it a try. And it honestly does not disappoint at all. I usually mention, use your favorite tequila. I want to finish this bottle of Jimador, which looks like it's gonna be just enough for this drink. Oh, I happen to have a bit more. That's not gonna be enough for another cocktail, so I'm just gonna shoot it. There we go. Much better. Once you've got all the ingredients in your shaker, grab a chilled cocktail glass. I'm gonna use this Nicanora. Fill your shaker all the way with ice and give this a good hard shake for about 15 seconds. Once done shaking, double strain your cocktail into your chilled cocktail glass and garnish this with a lime wheel. You could use a dehydrated lime wheel instead if you're feeling fancy. And there you have the 9th Wonder. This looks absolutely delicious. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. Wow, that's really good. Oh my god, okay. You really get the lime. So you get the sour, but a hint of spice. That creme de cacao is there definitely. And it's like a sweet, sour, spicy tequila cocktail. This is really good. I'm surprised I've never tried this before. Really nice. Definitely a crowd pleaser. What I really love about this also is the easy template. Just easy ingredients, ready to use, ready to bang out that cocktail. Yeah, I mean, I'm pleasantly surprised about this one. Erick Castro, if you're watching, did not disappoint. Yeah, that's gonna go down very easily. All right, everyone, that's gonna be it for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more tequila cocktails to get ready for Cinco de Mayo on this 5 for 5. I'll see you all the next one. Cheers.